The world is full of surprising and wonderful things, waiting for curious minds to discover. Dive into discovery with Highlight's Hidden Pictures puzzles. Kids can find hundreds of hidden objects, boosting concentration and building confidence along the way. Fuel their creativity as they start to see their world in a new way. And for kids ages 2 to 5, My First Hidden Pictures will spark curiosity and turn beginner puzzlers into super solvers in no time. Whether they seek and find with pencils, markers, or even stickers, they'll always find something wonderful.